you?
How are you?
Fine, thank you. Come in.
Are you excited?
Yes, very.
Are you nervous?
Very, very.
All right, let's have a chat.
Well,
What is it about the kitchen, really, why you want to change it for Mum?
well, it just needs modernising and brightening up. It's so dark because the tiles are so dark, and obviously the units are quite dark. The floor, you know, it just needs brightening up, modernising desperately.
Brenda and Doug will be back later this afternoon, so the team have a huge job in front of them if they're going to make over the lounge, diner and fit a new kitchen.
Now, Polly, I hate to interrupt you because you're working really up against it, but honestly, it's looking amazing. It's stopping me in my tracks. This is incredible because you are just going on top of the old work surface.
Yes.
Tell me how you do it.
It's 6.5mm granite or quartz.
Yeah.
And we cut it to size and literally slot it on top like a shoebox lid.
And so anyone can do this in their existing kitchen with their existing worktop.
Yes.
And you can still have a new sink and all the rest of it.
You can have a new sink or you can keep your own. It's up to you.
And you're doing the splashbacks as well. I am really intrigued with this because this is a real glass mosaic tile.
Yeah.
But it's on this flexible backing. I mean, check this out. Look, you can just curve this. It just goes around corners if you want it to.
Lynn, how are you feeling? Because it is chaos in here and you're seeing a transformation happen before your eyes. Are you still feeling the same that you did this morning?
No, I feel it looks lovely, really lovely.
This is a hug moment. This is
a hug moment.
Oh, hang on, I can't get up. All my bones have crippled up. Hug, 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 look at that. Isn't it lovely?
Before we got our hands on Brenda and Doug's kitchen diner, stepping into it was like stepping back in time. The kitchen was at least 30 years old and the dining room was totally impractical when the family came round for tea. But now there's plenty of room for visitors on the new bench seating, and their old dining table has been given a glossy white facelift thanks to yours truly. Over in the kitchen, the team have worked nothing short of a miracle. New cupboard doors and overlaid worktops have transformed the units, and brand new appliances have brought the kitchen into the 21st century. They've got the latest of mod-cons with a boiling water tap, so they no longer need a kettle. But they might still want a teapot, so there's floating shelves ready for Brenda's collection. And Lynn was slightly worried about making the place too modern for her parents, so I wonder what they'll make of Linda's stunning but slightly crazy cooker hood.
Alrighty, here we go.
Your new look kitchen. Believe it or not, your old kitchen is in there somewhere, but we've clad it, we've painted it, we've mosaiced it.
Look at that.
I don't know it.
It's an extractor fan.
Was it?
Yeah. Not bad. Oh, wow, look at the shelves.
It looks so much bigger.
Doesn't it? Completely different.
It does. It makes it...
Look at this.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
It's absolutely... Yeah. And I don't actually know where the appliances are, but they're in there somewhere.
They are in there.
Are they in the same places? Fridge,
It's an integral kitchen, which means you've got cupboard doors on all your white goods.
All granite surfaces. This extractor fan, I've never seen anything like it before.
Yeah.
And that was the modern thing I was telling you about.
You've got some floating shelves.
What a great reaction from Brenda and Doug.
Lynn was worried how they would react. She didn't need to because they absolutely loved it. So we just want to say thanks to everyone involved, and we're glad that we could give a little something back. That was an incredible makeover.